Killing your dream. The world has stopped, but your preparation cannot stay ahead. With conceptual learning online classes for 9th and 10th. भैया और बहन can study with our best video lectures. Welcome in our online conceptual learning classes. Now, today is our chapter types of chemical reactions. First, combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more than two elements or substances combine to each other and only one product will be produced. That is as known as combination reaction, संयोजन अभिक्रिया. The chemical reaction in which two or more elements or compounds combine to produce only one product is called combination reaction or synthesis reaction. When calcium oxide reacts with water, then calcium hydroxide will be produced. It means here in the equation, in the reaction, there are two reactants, but it has only one product. Another example, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, magnesium oxide will be produced. It means in this reaction there are two reactants but only one product. So we can say that these reactions are combination reaction. The combination reactions as known as synthesis reaction. Synthesis reaction, the reaction in which heat is released with products is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction, it means respiration is the best example of exothermic reaction. When glucose reacts with oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and energy will be also produced. It means energy is produced with products के साथ इसमें उष्मा भी उत्पन्न होती है, इसलिए इसे हम एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन कहते हैं. In the reactions, if energy will produced, that is as known as exothermic reaction. It means respiration, in direct or indirect, energy will be introduced in respiration reaction. So we can say that respiration is the exothermic reaction. Now we move on. Other chemical reaction, decomposition. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, वियोजन अभिक्रिया. It means decomposition reaction is as known as opposite of combination reaction. Opposite of combination reaction, it means the combination reaction has two or more than two reactants, but decomposition reaction has only one reactants. The reaction in which single reactants produces two or more simple product is called decomposition reaction. The reaction in which single reactant produces two or more simple compounds is called decomposition reaction. For example, CaCO3. When we heat calcium carbonate, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide will be produced. It means in this reaction only one reactant, but it has two products. Similarly, when we heat potassium chlorate, then potassium chloride and oxygen will be produced. It means both reaction has only one reactants, but both reactions have two products. So we can say that this is the decomposition reaction. We can say that combination reaction or decomposition reactions are opposite of each other because combination reaction has two or more reactants, but decomposition reaction has only one reactant. Other side, combination reaction has one and only one product, but decomposition reaction has two or more products. So we can say that combination and decomposition are opposite to each other. When a decomposition reaction carried by heating is called thermal decomposition reaction. जब किसी वियोजन अभिक्रिया में उष्मा की प्रमुखता रहती है, अर्थात उष्मा ही प्रमुख रहता है, या उष्मा की स्थिति में जब कोई वियोजन अभिक्रिया संपन्न होती है तो उसे थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल CaCO3, when CaCO3 heat, then calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide will be also produced. Another example, when lead nitrate will be heated, then lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen will be also introduced. Both reactions are varied by the presentation of heat. It means if heat will be not present in both equations, then we cannot think about any product. दोनों रासायनिक अभिक्रियाएं उष्मा की उपस्थिति में ही संपन्न होती हैं. अगर उष्मा उपस्थित नहीं हो तो हम किसी प्रकार के प्रोडक्ट की बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, अर्थात हमारा प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनेगा. सो वी कैन से दैट व्हेन ए decomposition reaction is carried by heating is called thermal decomposition reaction. Two reactions, combination reactions, decomposition reactions combination reaction has exothermic reaction and decomposition reaction has thermal decomposition reaction. So we want to please prepare both chemical equation reaction, combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Okay? Homework to prepare dot points and examples about combination reaction and decomposition reaction. I request you to prepare your homework. Yes, okay. साथ ही इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलेंगे. थैंक्स एंड अगेन थैंक्स.